Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a plastic tray, kind of like one of those dinner tray things. So we're going to go ahead and add a plane to this. I'm going to go and turn on my screencasting keys. So I'm going to go ahead and scale this up. Just go sideways a little bit as well. I'm going to go to edit mode. Let's go for E for extrude. Leave it where it is. Just kind of scale it inwards just a little bit. I'm just going to get rid of this face on the top. So let's get rid of that face right there. I'll get these 4 points back. So, we're making it like a nice little curved tray. So let's just press G, just bring this down a little bit. E for extrude. Scale it outwards. And on this turn, we're going to go ahead and just make this a little bit more shallower just on the sides right here. Press G, bring it up a little bit. E for extrude, bring this up. Scale it outwards. E for extrude. Oops. Bring this up. We're going to scale this one outwards as well. Then E for extrude. And then we'll scale this outwards too. I'm going to go ahead and put this on side view so you guys can see what's going on. And X-ray as well. So, we're going to go ahead, E for extrude again. Scale it outwards. And then we're going to go E for extrude, bring it down. You want to make a little lip on the side of this, so scale it outwards again. E for extrude, bring it down. E for extrude again, bring it down. Scale it inwards. E for extrude, leave it where it is. Scale it inwards. And then E for extrude, bring it down again. Scale in. And we're just going to follow the internal part of the tray around the outside. Scale it in again. Just go ahead and do it like that. Okay, so now we've got this nice little tray going on. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this X-ray mode. Shade this smooth. So now we're going to want to make this look a little bit more plasticky. So what I'm going to do, go into render engine, change this to cycles. I'm going to go ahead and place a plane underneath. Press G. Bring it down just to underneath the tray. And this is what it should look like when rendered. So to make this look plastic, just click the tray itself. We'll go to new here under materials. And now we can start adding a few colours to it. We can maybe make this a blue tray. We can take the roughness down just a little bit. Pull the metallic. And what you could also do is on this centre bit right here, because this is a tray that maybe it's carrying stuff, we could go for shading. Take this bit right here, go to materials, press plus, and this will be the new material. Click assign. And what we can do right here is we can add a noise texture. Put colour to base colour. Make all these little dots so it's kind of got a rough surface to it. Add, and we'll go colour ramp. Press plus on there. Maybe make this the same shade as the tray, roughly. We can then go ahead and add a bump texture. Just right in here. Change your colour to height from noise to bump. Just as such. Your distance, increase that a little bit. Now you can see that we've got some stuff going on there. We've got this nice little bumpiness. I'm just going to go ahead and reduce that blue a little bit so it matches. And we can also take this noise texture, this bump, Shift D, put it underneath, and join your normal from the bump to your roughness. which will give it a nice little sheen over the top. You can also increase your metallic if you wanted to. With this little bump as well, we could reduce the distance just ever so slightly. So now you can see that we've got this nice little bump, but we've got this nice little sheen over the top of it too. You can just reduce that as well, wherever you need it to be. So when we go back to layout, we can now see that we've got this nice little textured plastic tray. With the plastic side as well, you could, let's see, let's go for materials, 1 second, material 1. We could go ahead and add some scratches to this. So we could go with Veroni texture. We could put the colour into the metallic or the roughness. So now we've kind of got this nice little hex kind of look going on. Could be a nice little decent pattern as well if you wanted that. We could also go with add a bump. Just place that there, and you want to go colour to height. So now we've kind of got these little scratches and imperfections running around the outside. So yeah, you can change this to colour if you wanted to, or you can change this to metallic. I'm going to change mine to roughness, just right there. So, yeah. That's a little plastic tray that you can practice with Blender with. Put some items on there, maybe you've made a teacup or something like that. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.